How to purchase a plot on Property Trade. Log in to your buyer account. Select Buy Property on your dashboard. Search for property. Input the estate that interests you in the search box or scroll through the property list. Once you find a property you are interested in, click on it. Select a plot. View the plots for your desired placement on the layout. Plots bound by red boxes are already purchased. Plots bound by black boxes are available for purchase. Select the desired available plot. Scroll down and click on Reserve Now. Complete the reservation form. On the reservation form page, you can modify the buyer's full name as you would like it on your document. Fill all the fields on the reservation form. Scroll down and click on Reserve Now. Make payment. Once you have successfully reserved your plot, proceed to make payment. Click on the drop-down arrow and select your preferred mode of payment, i.e. one-off payment or installment over 3 months, 6 months or 12 months. The amount then will automatically adjust to show your expected initial deposit. You have 2 options, Paystack or Wallet. Choose Wallet. Click on this article to learn how to fund your wallet. Confirm payment. Once payment is confirmed, you will be redirected to your properties, where you can download your contract of sale and general receipt. By following these steps, you can successfully purchase a plot on Property Trade.